If you love pork chops, wait until you try them stewed down in sweet red wine and chili sauce. This recipe is going to blow your mind. What's going on, guys? So for today's recipe, you're going to need some Creole seasoning. This is 1 tablespoon of Tony Chicharra Creole seasoning, all right? And you're going to need about 1.5 pounds of pork chops. I'm going to add that. Mix it around. Make sure everything is nicely covered, you know? Then we're going to add some pimento seasoning. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon as well. Add a little drizzle of vegetable oil, about 1 teaspoon. Rub it in, nice and slow. And we're going to let this marinate for about 30 minutes, guys. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, I'm mincing up some garlic right now. This is about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. You're also going to need some onion, scotch bonnet pepper, green onion, fresh thyme, and a few other ingredients. I'll leave all the correct measurement in the description of the video. Alright, guys, so now we're going to add some vegetable oil. Decent amount, about 2 tablespoons. And once the pan becomes nice and hot, guys, we're going to add our pork chops. Listen for that sizzle. You know what I mean? And these are super thin, so you don't want to cook them for too long. You don't want them to be chewy. So we're just going to cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes. So we're going to sear 3 minutes per side, and then we're going to add our other ingredients, you know, our onion, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, thyme, and then we're going to add a little bit of tail of pork. We're going to add that to it, and also some sweet Thai chili. With a little bit of water, we're going to let it simmer, and then we should be good. Alright, y'all, time to flip our pork chop. So after about 3 minutes, it should look nice and crispy, nice little sear. Flip it over. Repeat the same step. Now we're just going to let it sear for about 3 more minutes, guys, and then we're going to add all these lovely ingredients right here. So this is some garlic, ginger, green onion, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, and thyme. All right, add that in. We're just gonna cook this up a little bit just to bring out some of that flavor. You know, from the garlic, the ginger, spices, you know, everything nice, man. So after that, we're gonna add our tail of pork. This is a good wine, by the way. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit of it. We're gonna add some sweetness, you know, to our pork chop sauce. We're not gonna add too much. And then I'm just gonna add some sweet Thai chili sauce to it. This is gonna finish it off. Nice little sticky sauce, gooey, sweet, spicy, you know, savory. And we're just gonna let this simmer for about 3 more minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, and we should be good. So everything, this entire cooking process should take about 10 minutes. Quick and easy recipe, guys. Smells so good. Like I said, you want to let it simmer. for about 3 minutes. All right, so now we're gonna turn the stove down, guys. We started off at high heat, you know, so now we're gonna put it down to about a medium-low. All right, let it simmer. And there you have it, stewed pork chops in sweet red wine chili sauce. Sweet, spicy, and savory, and absolutely delicious. Perfect with some, you know, white rice, mashed potatoes, or even some roasted veggies on the side. Thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.